Good evening from here in the UK and Ireland, and thank you all so much for joining us at the 5th anniversary showcase for Fusion Dance Fest. Now, as you probably know, we'd originally planned for this 5th anniversary showcase an event to take place in Limerick last summer, but for obvious reasons we're forced to make a decision to either cancel or to figure out how we could adapt to an online event and virtual showcase. What we knew for certain was that there was going to be plenty of challenges ahead to make it happen, but I'm so glad that we chose to adapt and to take on the challenge. There was actually so many surprising positives that came with the virtual learning and communicating. Not just learning about all the technology involved, but to include dancers who wouldn't typically be able to travel to Ireland, which actually helped us break all festival records, and we ended up with 80 cast members signing up from over 15 countries. So that was absolutely amazing. So in a way, the event more than ever lived up to the Fusion Dance Fest mission of being an inclusive meeting hub for Irish dance enthusiasts of all ages, levels and nationalities to work creatively together on something we're all so passionate about. Fusion Dance Fest is a community at the end of the day, and all the hard work that goes into it every year is always worth it, especially when we see cast members coming out of this experience with improved performance skills, an amazing newfound confidence, and best of all, they come out of it with lots of new friends for life. The resilience that was shown by everyone involved making this happen was nothing short of remarkable, and I'm so proud and thankful for everyone who helped make this possible. As the students say, we're a Fusion family, and I honestly have never felt that more than I do after this 5th anniversary. Enough from me, I'll pass you across to the show, so please just sit back, relax and enjoy, and I'll see you all at the end of the performance.
Hi, I'm Naila. I'm 11 years old and I'm from St Albans in the UK. I love Irish dancing and I'm so happy to be taking part in Fusion Dance Fest 2020. When lockdown happened, we knew we wouldn't be able to go to Ireland, but when we heard it was still going on, I was ecstatic. It's been difficult and challenging learning all the dances online, but it's been really fun learning all the different types with some amazing teachers who are really fun, kind and professional. I'm so grateful for all the organisers who have made this work, and I think Fusion Dance Fest 2020 will go down in history.
Good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending on where you are. My name is Shane Vaughan and I'm delighted to welcome you to the 5th Fusion Dance Festival. Now 5 years old, the Fusion Dance Festival has truly become a global phenomenon, with this year's unprecedented festival taking place entirely online, around the world and beamed right to you. With a cast of 80 dancers from over 15 countries, we had a blast making work and working hard. Our fearless dancers trained with leading choreographers, guest stars, and health and fitness coaches to kick their dance into gear. In these crazy times, we're all finding our own version of the new normal. Thankfully, normal for us means dance, dance, dance. And so we are gladdened and delighted to deliver this year's program. So sit back, grab a snack, put your feet up and let the dancing begin. Kieran Plummer works with this ancient instinct to tease out choreography from music, allowing the notes to transform the body. Musicality and free-flowing choreography come naturally in his work, with 3 distinct pieces emerging from this cocktail of sound and movement. Pushing his dancers as he pushes himself, Kieran finds strength in his students as he works them to the extremes of his stylistic ambiguity. From high-energy electro fun to smooth jazz and intricate footwork, Kieran's work is an exploration of music, dance, and indeed of the group itself. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I now present Invincible, Last Summer, and Extravaganza. A journey is a place between two parts. It's how we experience distance. When we put our foot out and strike off into land, we place ourselves between home and a hopeful place. Kristin Fontanella is a choreographer who comes from her home of traditional dance and has journeyed into the world of contemporary choreography. Delicately balancing these two modes, Kristin's newest piece, Journey, is an exploration of ritual and tradition. In dance, there are rules and there is winning. There are goals and there are victories. But a journey is rarely about the destination and more about the getting there. And so it is here, as the dancers track themselves through the pitfalls and peaks of dance. Strike out with us now as we take off with our best foot forward. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present Journey.
Hey everybody at Fusion Fighters. Firstly, congratulations on the show so far. It's absolutely incredible. And trust me, I know how much work is involved in putting something like this together. So hats off. For anyone who doesn't know me, my name's Brian McGrain. I'm a good friend of Chris for the last 6 or 7 years. I was involved in the early production of the Fusion Fighters music, and you might even recognize me from some of the videos. So when Chris asked me to kind of do a tune here, I was absolutely more than happy. Anyway, if you haven't followed me already on Spotify or on my socials, I would absolutely be very grateful if you did. Brian McGrain Music, Spotify. Just hit the little follow button and it makes me a happy little man. Anyway, this is my latest single. It's called Out of Control. Circles, feel like I'm in the deep end. I'm stuck, maybe I'm just needing a friend. Maybe I should join the circus. I keep on telling myself it's alright. Space is all that I know. These walls like they're invisible. Don't like feeling that I'm out of control. Late nights, parties and drinking, I don't know how you feel. I'm on the outside. My body's begging me to let it all go. Now I'm out of control, yeah. I'm out of control, Moments, they keep on blending. Can't keep track of all the texts I've been sending. Now I think it's time I start to wake up. Keep on telling myself it's alright. Too safe, this space is all that I know. These walls like they're invisible. Don't like feeling that I'm out of control. Late nights, parties and drinking, I don't know how you feel. I'm on the outside. My body's begging me to let it all go. Now I'm out of control. I'm out of control and I'm out of control. Now I'm out of control. Out of control. Thanks a million, guys. Best of luck with the rest of the gig. See you soon. Brian McGrain.
Rise. Get up, get going, and get active. We may be living in the end times, but that's no excuse. Or so says Tyler Shorts, whose piece Rise, Work, Play is all about staying positive in a pandemic. Motivation is about more than just getting active. It's a reason to get up, to live in the moment, to feel the exhilaration of life. But sometimes motivation is hard to find, and when you're down you can feel like the whole world is keeping you there. But Tyler's challenge is to adapt, persevere, find new hope and new movement so we can keep the burning light of dance alive. Of course, all that motivation and energy is hard work. So what do we do to balance it out? Well, what better way than to play? Tyler's piece is a testament to human adaptability, to our stubborn, clear-headed refusal to give up ever, to our capacity for truly great and wonderful things. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I now present Rise, Work, Play.
But mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here is evidence of that.
You can be amazing, you can turn a phrase into a weapon or a drug. You can be the outcast, be the backlash of somebody's lack of love. Or you can start speaking up. Nothing's gonna hurt you the way the words do when they settle beneath your skin. Kept on the inside, but no sunlight, sometimes a shadow wins. I wonder what would happen if you say what you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. What you wanna say and let the words fall out. Honestly, I wanna see you be brave. I wanna see you. I just wanna see you. I wanna see you. I wanna see you be brave. I wanna see you. I just wanna see you. I wanna see you. I wanna see you be brave. Everybody's been there, everybody's been stared down by the enemy. Falling for the fear and dancing, disappearing, bow down to the mighty. Don't run, stop holding your tongue. Maybe there's a way out of the cage where you live. Maybe one of these days you can let the light in. Show me how big and brave it is. Say what you wanna say and let
At the heart of the festival is a question: where are we now? Irish dance is a tradition, and yet we as contemporary people must belong to our own time and place. In this question emerges many more. How do you blend tradition and modernity? What does it mean to dance now? How can we move forward? Should we move forward? Chris Naish, through his Fusion Fighters and indeed through the Fusion Dance Festival itself, is asking these questions with every performance. And though the answers may never come, the questions have led to some spectacular movement, choreography, and performance. Chris's choreography is energetic, powerful, and riotous. It's the kind of dance that makes you feel like you own the world. And today, for a moment, we do. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present Fusion Fighters. Alas, alas, all things must pass, and so it is we come to the end of the 5th Fusion Dance Festival. But fear not, passing fellows, for we shall meet again in this Zoom call or the next. This year's festival has been an exploration of trial and tribulation, but it has also been a showcase of strength and ingenuity. For though we were apart, we came together to create anew. So as you go, take with you one last thought, that though this year's festival is just ended, the next year's is about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, from my home to yours, Garu Mahagut, and good night.
Thank you so much for joining us tonight, this evening. We look forward to bringing you the 6th anniversary showcase in the not too distant future, and look forward to working with some of you in our members area and at the Fusion Dance Fest this summer. So good night everyone, take care of yourselves, thanks again for coming, and we'll see you at the next show.